Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2007 Honda Accord. With these older Accords, they do have timing belts, which do have a maintenance service interval. Some people really aren't sure what that is, but the manufacturer suggests every 90,000 miles that the timing belt gets replaced in order to prevent failure. Sometimes what happens though is as a vehicle changes hands, the previous owners don't disclose if they've had that repair done, and the new owners maybe don't know to ask if that repair has been done. That's kind of the case with this particular Honda, is that the new owners had owned it for a while, and unfortunately what happened is that the timing belt did in fact fail. That can cause some serious damage, not just to the components inside of there, but in this particular case, as the belt broke, it broke the cam sensor and it broke some other wires and stuff that are inside the timing cover. It's important to make sure that your vehicle's schedule maintenances are getting done at the appropriate times to prevent unnecessary costs to your repair. If you're not sure if your vehicle has these maintenance items that need to be looked at, you could always give us a call at the shop. We'd be happy to walk through it with you or set up an appointment so that we can inspect those maintenance items and make sure that they are in good shape, or to see if they have been replaced at the proper service intervals. If you have any questions about your vehicle, we're always happy to help. Please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop.